Wow. Like, look at that. Oh, damn. Look at that thunder. It is not raining yet, but I'm sure it will rain soon. My internet is out right now, and with this thunderstorm, this is going to take a while. Whoa, did you see that? You see that? Wow. That's insane. Whoa. Mm. Ooh, damn. Oh, damn. Look at that thunder go. Whoa. With thunderstorms like that, I wonder what'll happen. I wonder what's gonna happen. I wonder what will happen if people will have to work tomorrow, or whether or not people will be attending school tomorrow, or so on and so forth. I just farted. That's my bad. Whoa, look at that thunder go. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Whoa, that was another big one. Wow. Whoa. Holy crap. Wow. This thunderstorm is intense. Whoa. I'm so glad I'm getting this on video. Oh my God. Huh. Holy cow. Sorry the footage is grainy.